Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn chapter number 2, which is Dakshina Padam. Now, in first chapter, you have understood the names of the body parts. So, Padam means leg, and Dakshin means right. Dakshin Padam, right leg. So this is very beautiful poem about the exercise. See the picture. One girl is giving the order how to exercise, and everyone else is doing it. This boy is doing as per the girl instructed. So let us see the poem first with the translation. दक्षिणपादं पुरुस्कुरु दक्षिणपादं कुरु पृष्ठं मन्दं मन्दं भ्रामयतं गोलाकारं स्वयं भ्रम. Dakshiнаpadam puruskuru. Now Dakshiнаpadam means right leg. Puruskuru means put forward. Dakshiнаpadam kuru prustham. So kuru means do. It indicates about the action. What you have to do? Put your right leg ahead. Puru means ahead. Prushtha means behind. So put your right leg behind. Mandam mandam brahmayatam. Mandam mandam, slowly slowly. Brahmaya means move round or rotate. Tam means yours. So put your right leg ahead, put your right leg behind. Mandam mandam brahmayatam means turn it round slowly or move it round slowly. Golakaram swayam brahma. Swayam means yourself. Brahma means move. Golakar means round. And you yourself turn round and round or move yourself round and round. So this is the first action which she instructed. What she said? Put your right leg ahead, put your right leg behind. Turn round and round or rotate your leg, and also round and do yourself the rotation. Means turn round and round in circle. Second line. Vama padam puruskuru, vama padam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayatam, golakaram swayam brahma. Vama padam means left leg. Vama means left. Padam leg. Vamam padam puruskuru. Puruskuru means put your left leg ahead. Vama padam kuru prustham, put your left leg behind. Mandam mandam brahmayatam, move it slowly round and turn yourself or move yourself round and round. Third, Dakshina hastam puruskuru. Dakshina hastam kuru prustham. Mandam mandam brahmayatam. Golakaram swayam brahma. Dakshina means, now you know Dakshin means right. Hasta means hand. So puruskuru, put your right hand ahead. Put your right hand behind. Rotate your hand slowly round and round, and you yourself move round and round. Same way, fourth line. Vama hastam puruskuru, vama hastam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayatam, golakaram swayam brahmam. Vama hasta means left hand. So now exercise of the left hand. Put your left hand forward, put your left hand back, turn it around and move yourself round and round. Fifth line. Hastadvayam puruskuru. Dvaya means two. So put your both hands or put your two hands forward. Put your hastam dvayam kuru prustham. Put your both or put your two hands back. Mandam mandam brahmayatam. Slowly turn them round and round. And golakaram swayam brahmam. And move yourself round and round. Hastadvayam puruskuru, hastadvayam kuru prustham, mandam mandam brahmayata, golakaram swayam brahma. Put your both hands forward, put your both hands back. Move your hands slowly round and move yourself round and round. So first they have started with left leg, then right leg, then left hand, then right hand. Now both the hands. Afterwards, sarvangam hi puruskuru. Sarvangam hi kuru prustham. Mandam mandam brahmayatat golakaram swayam brahma. Now what is the instruction to do? Sarvanga, sarva anga, whole body, all parts together, right? So put your all body parts forward or put your body forward, put your body back. यानी आगे पूरा आगे जाओ, पूरा पीछे आओ. मंदम मंदम भ्रामयत. Slowly, slowly turn around all the body parts. And golakaram swayam brahmam. Move yourself round and round. And last stanza. Sarve militva khelam, sarve militva gayam, sarve militva khadam, sarve militva nrutyam. Sarve means everyone, all. Militva, together. Khelam, khelam means play. Or let us play. So let us all play together. Sarve militva gayam. Gayam means let us sing. So let us sing all together. Sarve militva khadam. Khadam means eats. Let us eat. Let us eat all together. And sarve militva nrutyam. Nrutyam means let us dance. So let us dance all together. नृत्य मूल धातु रूप उसका नृत्यम का अर्थ होगा लेट अस डांस. सो खेलाम, गायाम, खादाम और नृत्यम ये लेट अस के साथ के वर्ड्स हैं. लेट अस प्ले, सो खेला. लेट अस सिंग, सो गायाम. लेट अस ईट और हैव फूड, खादाम. एंड लेट अस डांस, नृत्यम. अंडरस्टूड? So very nice and little poem about the physical exercise. They have started from right leg, left leg, right hand, left hand, both the hands, whole body. And in last stanza they told us, let us play, let us live together. Dakshina Padam, glossary words. Dakshina Padam means to the right leg. Puraha, in front of. Prustham, behind. Kuru means do. Mandam, slowly. Brahmaya, move round. Vamam, the left. Hastam, hand. Sarvangam, all parts of the body. Khelam, let us play. Militva, meeting together. Khadam, let us eat. So you have to write this poem along with its translation. Then you will write glossary words. Afterwards, we will write exercise. So let us see what they have given in exercise. First one is pronounce the following words correctly. So you have to write all these words 2 times. Puraskuru, Kuru Prustham, Brahmayatam, नृत्यामः खादामः सर्वांगम. You can sing this poem with the help of YouTube video which I am sending with this video. So you can sing this poem and do the action song. Speak the following words with action. Purah. So what you will do? You will move one step forward. Gayam. You will sing. Prushtham. You will come back one step. Nrutyam. You will dance. Khelam. Play. Golakaram. Round. Khadam. Eat. Vamapadam. Left leg. Dakshinahastam. Right hand. So you can show all these words with the action. Now write the following words correctly in good handwriting. You have to write all these words in your notebook. Then read and write the following words. They have given us the antonyms. विरोधी शब्द, विलोम शब्द दिए हैं. दक्षिण वाम, राइट लेफ्ट. मंदम शीघ्रम. मंदम means slowly, शीघ्रम means fast. पुरः forward, पृष्ठम backward. So you can write in English to understand. So this also you have to write in your notebook. दक्षिण वाम, राइट लेफ्ट, ऐसा करके आप लिख सकते हो. ओके. मंदम शीघ्रम, स्लोली फास्ट. पुरः पृष्ठम, फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड. Now fifth exercise is read and write the following words. Mandam mandam. Now you can see the difference. Both the words are same. Mandam mandam. But here they have written half म. स्वर रहित म लिखा है ना, सिर्फ व्यंजन म, जिसे हलंत लगा है. तो इसे क्या कहेंगे? मंदम. म पूरा नहीं बोलेंगे, थोड़ा सा ही बोलेंगे, जैसे इसमें बोलते हैं. तो अगर आपको ये हलंत वाला म नहीं लगाना हो तो आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. अनुस्वार के रूप में भी म को लिख सकते हैं. मंदम मंदम, बोथ आर सेम. आप ये लिखो या ये लिखो, दोनों का अर्थ एक ही है. तो बोथ आर करेक्ट. शीघ्रम शीघ्रम, शनैहि शनैहि, घृष्टम घृष्टम. Okay. Now on page number 7, construct the words following the illustration. So illustration, they have given the dhatu root, root form, and its new word. खेल धातु रूप है. खेलामः मीन्स प्ले, और वी प्ले. खेल खेलाम, धातु रूप टू प्ले. खेलाम मीन्स वी प्ले. खाद धातु रूप है, इसका अर्थ होता है ईट, टू ईट. इसका क्या होगा? खादाम. नृत्य, नृत्य धातु रूप है, जिसका रूप होता है नृत्य. तो नृत्य का क्या होगा? नृत्याम, वी डांस. पठ धातु रूप है, जिसका अर्थ है टू रीड. पठाम, लिख, टू राइट. लिखाम. पा, पा धातु रूप किसका है? पीब का, यानी पीना, टू ड्रिंक. तो पा का क्या रूप होगा? वी ड्रिंक का क्या होगा? पीबामः. चलो, चलो का क्या होगा? चलाम, वॉक. भ्रम, भ्रमाम, टू गो राउंड एंड राउंड. Okay. So this also exercise you have to write in your notebook. With this you can do one activity, that is action song. You can sing this poem and make a video of this poem action song. यानी आप डांस करोगे, जैसे जैसे आएगा. जैसे दक्षिण पादम पुरुष करो तो आप आपका राइट लेग आगे करोगे, राइट लेग पीछे करोगे, फिर उसे पैर को घुमाएंगे और फिर खुद घूमेंगे, है ना. तो पहला लाइन ये है. तो ऐसे करके आप पूरी कविता का एक अच्छा सा एक्शन सॉन्ग का वीडियो बना के मुझे भेज सकते हैं. पर आपको क्या करना है? एक्शन भी करनी है और साथ साथ में गाना भी है. तो जो भी एक्शन सॉन्ग का वीडियो मुझे भेजेंगे वो मेल में भेजेंगे, और उसमें क्लियरली लिखना मेल में कि मैडम एक्शन सॉन्ग वीडियो. Okay, so that we can consider this as a activity and we can send this activity to our principal and to our trust. So this is chapter number 2, Dakshina Padam. Today's homework, you have to write poem along with the translation, glossary words and whole exercise.